sa isen hakane ka por ngim lak lem dapan pau ya ka jing sungu na benta ini mi ieid ibalawan mi lawan yang marwe syakmat ban pensyai bayade bat ka jinglong jingman jong ka Jylla Meghalaya bat khamtam na ka benta jong ka jaj penriu ka ba ieid pathoin e jongi te hakane ka por sa isen porlok hila bani osngo ya ka tin ibalakren laklei dalaki suntur lejong hakane ka por kanu ipen pau ya ka jing jingkemen jing sungu hadin ka jing job ka balawan ya ka jaj penriu bat ya ka Jylla hi barokui bayade bat ka jingjar ngai no jong kini kisi kurim bat mentak si lalap no ya ka sonom ro kubunsi.
Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am today very, very happy. From the day first, I was telling that people of Meghalaya are very good, very calm, and today it is proven that Northeast, Meghalaya and Northeast is very safe to travel. See again, mind my words, from the day one, though there were so many people telling so many things, from day one I was telling it is so safe, people are so kind, so honest, so loving, and today I am very happy because it has been proved. Now, whether those people who defamed Meghalaya will now remain mute in shame, I'm sure those who defamed Meghalaya will now remain mute in shame. Or I feel even that Meghalaya and all those who are supporting Meghalaya, we should file a defamation case against the parents or the administration of that concerned state who blamed and tarnished Meghalaya's image. But you are knowing, always good is good, bad is bad. Though they told whatever, today it has proved now. All over the world is able to see what Meghalaya is and what is the Northeast. That is why from the beginning I was telling, because it was my personal experience. I was not telling just because someone told, no, I had personally visited, and that is why I know it is safe. No doubt there are what I can say waterfalls or valleys and all. That is why we have to take care of ourselves. Otherwise, people are very good, very safe. They are not criminals. They are helping. They are our own brothers and sisters. You are knowing Sonam, who was, you are knowing, missed for so many days. Today, police have been able to arrest her from UP. Again, hats off to Meghalaya police. I had done one video that no one should blame the police or the locals. Whether you remember it, see what I said has become true. That is why I am very happy today, because my second home I have called, and my brothers and sisters, they will feel proud today, and they should be, because simply we should not blame anyone without knowing them, without going there. Just no, it is not correct. That is why from that day first I was telling, because I have experienced. At least the driver was there with us for 8 days, day and night he was with us. So we know what the people are. They are very good, again I am telling, very simple and very loving, very honest. And the environment is very good there. That type of environment, I will tell, it is a heaven. Because in the movies and all, you might have seen the heaven where the gods live, how everywhere there are clouds and all, the same type of atmosphere. That is why I call it heaven. And you never feel tired there because of the atmosphere. So the place is very good. Even my relatives, after I visited, many of my relatives visited there. My brother, sister-in-law, my friend. At least my friend went with her 2 daughters. Only 3 ladies went together on their own, means online booking and everything they had done. And they visited all the places and they came back safely. It is very safe place.